Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to disable PIN code from the SIM card on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the Biometrics and Security section. Then go to the Other Security Settings, then Setup SIM card lock. And here you can disable your PIN, but then you have to enter it one last time, tap OK, and now you have this PIN disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.